Yeah. There's a reason I never call out trades. Because I know there's a bunch of morons gonna blindly follow me into the depths of hell. Yeah, this is about, you know, you want to follow someone, go follow some fraud on Twitter. Join a paid chat room, you know. You have no place to be here. I don't want you here. This community is all about studying. Putting in the work so you can stand on your own two legs. Not blindly follow someone. Exactly. All I'm doing is handing out fishing poles and teaching you how to fish. And if you don't want to put in the work, I'm gonna take the fishing pole and beat the shit out of you. And then I'm gonna kick you out. uh, you're amputated? Well, then you can sit on your butt. That's fine too. You can make money standing, you can make money sitting, you can make money with a shirt on, you can make money with a shirt off, like I'm a good example of. There's many ways of making money.